If your Lucidchart document is stuck on saving, showing an offline error, or refusing to sync your latest changes, don't panic and definitely don't close the tab right away. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Lucidchart unable to save changes step by step while making sure you protect your work first. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Now let's get into it. The very first thing you should do is secure your current work. Before changing any settings, before clearing cache, and before refreshing anything, go to the top left corner of your Lucidchart document, click File, then hover over Export and choose a format like PDF or PNG. Download it to your desktop or local drive so you have a backup copy of the diagram. This is important because if the browser is frozen in a saving loop, exporting gives you a safe version of your work before you troubleshoot. Once your file is backed up, the next step is to rule out browser conflict. Lucidchart depends on a stable browser connection, and sometimes extensions, privacy tools, or session problems can interrupt saving. The quickest test is to open an Incognito or private browsing window, sign back into Lucidchart, and reopen the same document. If the file saves properly in Incognito, that usually means the issue is related to your regular browser cache, cookies, or one of your extensions. If that happens, go back to your normal browser and temporarily disable any extensions that could interfere with web apps. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and even some VPN connections can cause cloud apps to behave strangely. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it for a moment and try saving again. Then, refresh the Lucidchart page and check whether the document starts syncing normally. If the problem is still there, the next fix is to clear your cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can become corrupted and stop Lucidchart from communicating correctly with its servers. Open your browser settings or history menu, find the option to clear browsing data, and make sure you remove cached images and files as well as cookies and other site data. After that, completely close the browser and reopen it before logging back into Lucidchart. This fresh restart often resolves stuck saving and offline syncing issues. Now, if the issue only happens with one specific document, then the problem may be document specific instead of browser related. In that case, create a brand new blank Lucidchart document first. Then go back to the broken diagram, select everything with Ctrl+A, copy it with Ctrl+C, and paste it into the new blank file using Ctrl+V. Wait a moment and allow Lucidchart to autosave the new version. Sometimes this transfers your content into a cleaner file and fixes whatever was causing the old document to stall. If you're still seeing saving problems after all of that, it may help to check your network stability, sign out and back in, or try the document in another browser. The goal is to eliminate anything that could be interrupting the cloud sync process. In most cases, one of these steps will get Lucidchart saving again without losing your work. So to recap, first export your diagram as a backup, then test in Incognito, disable conflicting extensions or VPNs, clear cache and cookies, and if needed, move the content into a new blank document. That's the safest way to fix Lucidchart unable to save changes without risking your diagram. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and comment below if you want more Lucidchart troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.